Go.
This is a video on how to wax your pieces. This is what the wax looks like. You'll use a paintbrush to wax your pieces. If you have a piece like this, you just need to wax the foot. You can use glaze on the inside and around, but any part that will touch the kiln floor, you'll need to wax. If you have a piece like this that has a gallery lid, you'll want to wax this part and in here so they don't stick together. The wax looks like this, and you want to make sure you only use the wax paintbrushes in this container when you wax a piece. You just paint the wax on like this all over where you don't want it to stick. It takes a few minutes to dry and you only need to apply one coat.